Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Prachi and I make videos on fashion, beauty and lifestyle category. So if you are new to my channel, please make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that you get notification every time I post a new video. So in today's video, I am going to be sharing with you guys what all equipments I use to shoot my videos and which app I use to edit my videos and how I edit and some useful points that will be helpful for you guys. So today's video is not going to be a regular one about makeup or outfits or fashion related or lifestyle related. This is going to be a very different kind of video. So if you're interested, please make sure you watch it till the end. You will definitely get some useful points and you will definitely get to learn something from this. So without any further ado, let's jump into the video. Okay, talking about the very first thing that I use to shoot my video, it's the camera. What I use. So basically, I don't own any fancy DSLR or cameras. I shoot my videos on iPhone 15 Pro Max. So earlier I used to shoot on iPhone 12 mini, which also gives decent quality, but I really wanted to upgrade. So I have upgraded recently to iPhone 15 Pro Max and the quality is amazing. The Pro series is genuinely something. The hype is actually real about the Pro series. So if you have the budget and you can invest in this kind of mobile, definitely consider getting the Pro series because you can shoot in that, you can edit in that, you can post in that. You don't need multiple equipments to do that. It's just your iPhone and you're sorted to do all the things, almost all the things. So instead of investing in laptop, camera and then storage devices, make sure you invest in a good iPhone. If you're looking for something handy, this is really handy. You can shoot any type of content, be it your makeup related, fashion related, your vlogging related, your day-to-day content, your food related, anything, be it anything. You can shoot your all type of content in this and you can edit in this and post in this. You don't need any other device to do the work, just the mobile. It will do all the work. Also, there might be someone who is watching and is beginner at starting the content creation or making videos. So if you are one of those and you don't have iPhone and also don't have budget, you are school going or maybe college going or new at job, due to some financial problem you cannot afford to have iPhone, so do not worry, you can definitely start your journey with any mobile. Just use a good sunlight, just make your videos in the presence of sunlight. You don't need any light as well. The sunlight will do all the justice and work. It can be any mobile, it will work so good. And also there are multiple apps available in Androids as well. You can edit on those particular apps. Okay, so we will talk about the editing part as well in some time. Okay, so talking about the mobile camera and the settings of it. So I use front camera. Recently I have switched to this. So it's little, right now I'm comfortable in the front camera itself, but the back camera quality is epic. So if you are someone, please make sure you use back camera. I try to use back camera here and there, but since when I don't get the result, I get pissed off and I start using the front camera, and I'm used to that. The front camera doesn't give that good quality, definitely, but still I use it. I'm trying to switch to back camera and hopefully I will definitely start shooting from the back camera and use all the privileges that back camera gives. So yeah, make sure whichever phone you are using, you use the back camera because it gives the best quality as compared to the front camera. So make sure you use the back camera whenever you are shooting. For the normal videos, the settings that I have in my iPhone, it's 4K and 60 FPS. So this gives the best quality videos. Okay, so make sure you keep your camera setting for video at 4K and 60 FPS. That will give you best crisp quality videos from your iPhone. Okay, moving on to the stand that I use to keep my camera on place at a certain angle. So I use this particular tripod from Digitech. This is such a nice investment I have done, I feel. So this tripod is really sturdy, so super good quality, and if you want to shoot like this, it does the work. For example, you make food videos, food related content, or maybe you make travel videos and you want the mobile or the camera to be like this and you want to shoot the you want to shoot like this basically. So, or maybe you want to lay down and capture this angle, so it comes with something like that. So this tripod works for that as well. So if you're looking for multi-purpose or multi-angle tripod, you can definitely consider investing in the Digitech tripod. I will make sure to put the link of everything that I'm telling in this video in the description box below. So if you want to get any of this for yourself, make sure you check out the description box. You will find the links of all the products. Okay, so the very main thing is lighting, since it plays a major role in your videos for giving that good quality. Otherwise your videos, even though you are using good camera, good quality camera, and light is not there, then your video might not look that good. So if you are okay, and also if you have sunlight coming in your house or the place where you shoot in, so you can definitely use sunlight. Nothing is better than sunlight. Sunlight gives the best quality videos. So in the evening you can shoot, or maybe during early morning you can shoot the videos if sunlight comes in your room or area wherever you shoot in. But if you don't have access to the sunlight for shooting, so you can invest in some good quality lights. The ones that I use are from Eloise, Eloies. I'm sorry if I'm pronouncing it wrong. So these are two panel lights basically. It comes in this shape. So it comes with stand. These are combo of two with such affordable price, something around 3,000 or something. I will put the link in the description box, so don't forget to check it out. The lights are so good. So basically mainly I make makeup videos, the transitions and all that, and it really needs good quality light so that the makeup looks really good on camera. Otherwise the makeup looks really shabby. So it's really important for me to have a good lighting. And also if you're a makeup content creator, or you are makeup artist maybe, and you're looking for a good light, so please skip on ring light. The ring light is over these days. The cost of these two panel light is equals to one ring light. I also have one ring light from Digitech. Earlier I used to use the ring light from Digitech, but it only gives the light from the front, and for makeup videos we want the light to come from both the sides so that it looks really good. Otherwise here shadow comes here, and the makeup doesn't, and the look doesn't look that good on camera and for the transitions and all those videos. So I invested in these panel lights, and these are super good. Since the time I have started using this, the quality of my videos have increased more. And also, how can we forget our iPhone quality as well? The combination of these two has made my videos sorted so good. The quality comes so crisp. And everything is really good. I've placed the lighting in this angle, and you can see how nicely it is capturing me. Also these lighting comes with three modes of white and one dim, something like that, and comes with a remote. And what else you need with such affordable price? So even if you are not a makeup content creator, or you make some other type of content and you need good lighting and affordable price, you can consider investing in this one. So if it doesn't come with certain color light, what hack you guys can use it, you can, if you want red color lighting, you can put a red dupatta on top of the light, and you can get the red light. And similarly for other colors as well, you can experiment. I have experimented for red only, so I can tell about that, but definitely if you're putting some other color, it will reflect that color only. So yeah, okay, so these were the equipments that I used to shoot. Moving on with the app I used to edit my videos. So my go-to app that I use to edit my videos is VN app. So it's completely up to your choice which app you find really handy to edit and you find yourself really comfortable in editing. So since day one I have been using VN, so I find myself comfortable really in VN app. So I have been editing in VN, my long videos, my shorts, everything I use in VN. I edit in VN. So I don't have any subscription of any app. Okay, so the other apps that you can use, it's InShot, you can use CapCut using VPN and all those stuffs. I don't know, the Jugaad and all those things. I really wanted to start using CapCut, but I'm not able to switch this easily. CapCut has some better features and obviously super good features obviously. So if you are a beginner and you want to try, you can start using with InShot and then maybe switch to VN, CapCut and all those other high-end apps. Okay, so talking about the thumbnail, how I create my thumbnail. So I use this Canva app. It's super good. I mean, how I didn't discover it earlier. Since the time I have started using it, I'm so happy with what all features Canva provides. This is not sponsored, but I absolutely love Canva for what all things it provides you. You're sorted for everything. If you, even though you don't do content creation or anything, I would recommend you guys go check out. You, if you are maybe someone who does job, you want to make your resume or CV, you can try there, you can make it there. And if you want to edit, like if you want to make that brief video 5 to 10 second, it gives the templates that you can use, and directly you can attach your photos, videos, and it will give the result. What else you need? It's so good. And you get all this for free. There is subscription as well, which I don't have. Again, guys, please subscribe so I can buy the subscription of these apps and make much better videos. Okay, so for thumbnails, I use Canva app, and it's really good. So you can also use Canva, and also it's really handy. It's not like really hectic. When you will first look into it, it will take some time for you to understand how it works, but it's obviously very easy. Once you start using it, it will become really handy. Basically, talking about exporting my videos after editing, so basically from VN, when I export, I keep the setting as, for resolution I keep it 1080p, and for FPS I keep it 60, and bitrate it's really up to person. I have been keeping it 4K. I experimented here and there, like increasing the bitrate, but it didn't work out for me. The videos weren't that good, so I'm still continuing with 4.0 bitrate. So people recommend 10 to 12 bitrates, but I was not able to find, or maybe I was doing something wrong. I really need to experiment more, but for now I'm doing resolution as 1080p and bitrate 4.0 and FPS at 30. So these are the settings that I use to export my videos from VN. And also guys, if you are a beginner and you're watching this video, please feel free to not own any of these, because if you have the passion to do it, you can use your mobile, use the sunlight, in shoot in the natural light, and start creating the content creation. You do not need these fancy equipments. And please do not wait to buy these and then start right now. If you are so into starting it, do not do it late like me. I really wanted to start since a really long time, but I don't know why. Due to some silly reasons, I didn't started it early, which I'm obviously regretting, but it's never too late to start it. So yeah, so that was it for this video guys. Please feel free to ask any questions if you have any doubt related to the products, and also you can find the links of all the products in the description box, so please feel free to check it out. And if you are new to my channel, please make sure you subscribe to my channel. And also, if you like this video, please make sure you like this video, comment down below, and share this video with whoever needs or whoever would get help from watching this video. And I will see you in my next video next time. Till then, thank you for watching guys. Bye bye.